It's a substantial building. That was in 2002. If it doesn't say the elevator, we know it was built in 2002.
Or 2003 or broken.
Maybe late 2002, finished in 2003.
Yeah. Oh, it says 2002 or on Windows or.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or that was that.
Ah, yeah, yeah. 10 is 2002, yeah.
And this is in Kerava, in Helsinki Sports Region, a part of Uusimaa, Finland.
Yeah.
We inspected it in 2023.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, I think 7. Or, it's attic.
It's 7.
Yeah, yeah. I thought it was.
But it will stop on the 6th, somebody's gonna use it.
Oh,
I don't know.
and so.
But let's check it.
Yeah.
Was it the 8th floor?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, it actually has 8 floor. It's attic floor.
I like the interior.
Yeah.
It's not so bad.
Yeah.
It is the attic, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
But let's check if it moves up on the 6th floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very fresh here.
Yeah.
It's almost like it is as if it was new.
Yeah.
What does it say on that way?
Yeah.
It's hard to see.
Yeah.
The bad thing about the Schindler Smart is that it doesn't say the year on the elevator, but we saw it from the bunker door.
Yeah.
It's 2002. So then it is 2002. But we have to check on the internet if it was finished in 2002 or 2003.
2003.
Yeah, then it's late 2002.
Yeah.
Finished in 2003. And then it's turning 20 years old between 2022 and 23. It's 30.
No.
Or I don't know. The serial number is 171. HEL 171. The capacity is 8 per substance kilograms. Is it 0 or 1?
I think 1.
Also like these small mirrors.
Yeah. Cap is much better than most Schindler smart elevators.
Oh yeah, they did some effort here.
Yeah.
It is not only stainless steel.
Yeah.
I think maybe it's in the same. It's the same in the nearby other buildings, which are similar to this.
Yeah.
Maybe.